Hi, I just got this tankless water heater. It's a really nice upgrade for an older motorhome like I have. It's a really nice unit, it's very easy install. It's got a lot of really nice features in it. It has a very stable temperature control. It has an internal control panel that you would use inside the motorhome. You mount that in a convenient location for turning the unit on and off and adjusting temperature control. It also is a really nice unit. It has an exterior shower head that you would use. Just a quick coupling connection attaches right here on the outside of the motorhome so that you can rinse stuff off if need be, if you need to use hot water to rinse something off. You have a pet that got muddy when you're camping, instead of bringing him inside trying to get rid of that mud in the tub or whatever, you can rinse them off outside. Works really well for that. So let's install it. You will need to use some sort of a sealant around it to seal up against your siding on your motorhome. Slide it in. We'll have to pre-drill holes as well. I did pre-drill a couple of them already. So you'll finish off the outside screws around the outside edge, and that is the outside installation on it. Then we'll go inside and we'll do all the interior work on it. So now I have it installed. I have my wiring run, my line, everything's ready to go for connection. I have the control panel mounted on the wall. And my wiring is tucked in behind the wall so it's hidden so no fingers can grab it. Everything is wired, labeled. You have your control wires, they go to the control panel. And then your positive and negative wires, the black and white ones, go to your power because it needs a 12-volt power source. These are labeled positive and negative. Okay, so electrical is done. You connect up your water lines. I'm going to use a flex line to attach so it's easier for connection. These are labeled hot and cold water to make sure it goes the correct flow. Next up, I'm putting in I added a gas valve and a flex line to be able to connect up to the propane line. Thread that together. Make sure it's really nice and snug. And you always want to use a soapy water spray to check for any leaks on all of your joints. It bubbles up really good when it's leaking. So on the control panel, it gives you a voltage reading, it gives you your pounds of gas pressure for your propane. You can switch it between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and it tells you what the current temperature is. And then you can also, the up and down arrows are for your output water temperature. Goes up to a max of 124 degrees, which you got to be careful with that because you can cause burns. But I'm really looking forward to using it in the camper this year.